Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will show you keychains with butterfly pattern. I am using a double knit medium weight 4 ply wool 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. Make a loop, chains 1 2 3 4 5 chains. In the first chain make a slip stitch, 3 chains, we count a double crochet. In the same space make a double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 1 2 3 3 double crochet, chain 1, double crochet 1 2 and double crochet 3, chain 1. Repeat the pattern in the circle 8 times. Repeat double crochet 3, 1 double crochet, 2 and double crochet 3 and chain 1. Repeat and follow the same pattern in the circle 8 times. In the circle repeat 8 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 groups. Make a chain 1, slip stitch in the third chain and finish here. Make a slip stitch, here in the chain space middle. Use the second color with the slip stitch, 3 chains. In the same space make a 3 chains and we count these 3 chain a double crochet, 2 more and 2 chains, double crochet 3 in the same space. In the next skip 3 double crochet stitches in the next chain 1 space. Make a double crochet 3, 1 2 and 3, 2 chains. In the same space double crochet 3 again, and now repeat and follow the same pattern in every chain space around 8 times. Repeat the pattern, 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 3 double crochet in every chain space around. I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 times. Repeat the pattern, make a slip stitch and finish here. Fold a butterfly, in here a slip stitch, join. From here make a slip stitch, in the middle and 1 slip stitch here in the top. And now make a chains, making a failures, chains 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains. In the third chain make a slip stitch and slip stitch in the next chain, slip stitch next chain and 1 slip stitch in here. Follow the same work, make again 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains and turn work. In the third chain slip stitch and slip stitch in the next stitch, slip stitch in the next stitch and slip stitch in the last stitch here, and here finish off a butterfly. Finish a butterfly. Use a keychains or sieve in the dress. You can make it bigger or smaller. I have done and completed a butterfly keychains pattern. In the corner, attach keychains ring. For sunflower video you can watch on my YouTube channel. In the return pattern we explain in details, link in the description box. You can use any of color for this pattern. Like and share this video for more videos. Subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks.